Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode in Windows 11. So don't worry, Windows 11 has a built-in game mode that helps improve performance and reduce background distractions. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type settings, open settings, then go to gaming and select. Now go to game bar. Now enable it, allow your controller open bar. Or you can directly press Windows plus I from your keyboard to open settings and then go to game mode. Now after turning this on, go to graphics, select your game from the list or click to browse to edit manually, or you can directly click on this optimization for windowed games and turn it on. Now select high performance and it will reduce latency and use advanced feature with compatibility of your gaming feature. Now you can add your game from here directly, or you can just select from here. As you can see here, optimization for windowed games, you can directly. Now turn off background apps for extra boost. You have to turn off some particular apps for getting some extra performance boost, even more by stopping unnecessary background apps. Now go to advanced app settings as in shown here. Go here. Now okay, click on app execution analysis. Now it will show the list of apps. Just turn it off which you don't want find useful. For example, I turn off your unnecessary apps, and that's it. By enabling game mode and tweaking a few settings, you can enjoy smoother gameplay with fewer lags and distraction. Try it out and let me know in the comments if you notice an improvement. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming and Windows 11 tips. I will see you in the next video.